This video walks you through how to send money in a different currency with Wise. Begin by logging into your Wise account. Once you are signed in, go to your home page. This is where you can start a new transfer and review the options connected to your account. From the home page, click Send. That opens the transfer flow, where you will choose who the money is going to and how much you want to send. If you are looking at several account options on the screen, make sure you stay within the Send Transfer section before continuing. Next, select the recipient. You can choose an existing recipient if the person or business is already saved in your account, or you can add a new one if this is your first time sending to them. If you are adding someone new, enter the requested recipient details and continue once that information is in place. Make sure you select the correct recipient before moving forward. After that, choose the currency you want your recipient to receive. This step matters because Wise uses that selection to calculate the converted amount for the transfer. Take a moment to confirm that the receiving currency matches the account your recipient expects to use. Now enter the amount you want to send. As soon as you do that, Wise will automatically show the converted amount, the exchange rate, and any applicable fees. This gives you a full view of the transfer before you confirm anything. If you are checking total cost, pay attention to both the amount being sent and the fee shown on the screen. Once the amount is entered, review the transfer details carefully, confirm that the sending and receiving currencies are correct, and make sure the amounts shown match what you intend to send and what your recipient should receive. This is the point where you catch any currency mismatch or amount error before the payment is submitted. When everything looks correct, choose your payment method. Wise will show the available ways to pay based on your account and transfer details. Select the payment method you want to use, then complete the payment by following the prompts on screen. The exact screens may vary depending on the payment option, but the goal here is to finish the payment so Wise can begin processing the transfer. After payment is complete, wait for the transfer to be processed. Processing time can vary, so you may need to give it a little time before the transfer is finalized. Once processing is complete, your recipient will receive the money in the currency you selected for them. You have now sent money through Wise in your recipient's selected currency.